Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to start an online business for shy people. This is going to be a good one, guys, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm here at my slideshow to show you how to start an online business for shy people. Why I wanted to specifically tell you that this is for shy people is because there's a lot of people that may think that you have to be on camera or on video to be able to build online business, and that is absolutely not true, and you do not need to be an influencer or anything like that and be out there, okay? So this is why I want to show you this. This is going to be a very powerful method regardless, and you can still make tons of money using this method, okay? So let me get started here. So why start an online business? Well, it's because if you start an online business, that is exactly how you can make a significant amount of money consistently. Now, I show a lot of methods on my channel, but a lot of those methods don't make you money consistently, or they just, make a little bit of money here and there and nothing really significant that you can depend on. But if you start an online business and really build it up, you can make consistent monthly amount of money, and you could really depend on that money. So with an online business, it creates a passive online income. And creating passive online income is very powerful because then you can earn any time of the day. You can earn 24/7 because when you have an online business, your business is on the internet and the internet is on 24/7. So at any time, anybody from any part of the world can go on your online business and give you money this way, okay? So that means that you can create your own working schedule for your business. Of course, you need to work on your business to have it make money, okay? But the thing is that you're not trading time for money here, okay? When you start an online business, you're going to be building an online asset that will be working for you. And that's how you can really leverage the internet to make money for you. And with this business model that I'm showing you today, it's going to be very low cost compared to any offline businesses or any other businesses that you want to get into online. Because there are several business models that you can get online, but you do need a significant amount of money to invest in, say, inventory if you want to do a physical product, right? And that could be too much money for some people. And so this other business model that I'm about to show you will be much better, okay? And also, online businesses, you can actually build on the side because it's on the internet. It's not an instant thing that you have to have it online live and then it has to be perfect. No, because that's not how this model works. In this model, you can actually build it if you're working on a full-time job, you could build it on the side because this is how this business works. Okay, you're able to work on it whenever you have time. And the more you work on it, the faster you're going to see results. So the slower you build it, the slower you see results. And lastly, why you want to start an online business is because this is the way to get your freedom of time back. Because since you're able to choose when you're going to work, that means that you could have the time back of doing things when you want to and where you want to, and you won't be tied to a 9-to-5, and you'll be able to work whenever you want to and still also earn when you're sleeping, on vacation, or anything else, okay? So do I need a following? This is towards the shy people. No, you don't need any of that, okay? You don't need a following. You don't need an email list. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need any social media accounts. You don't need nothing because you're going to do this from scratch, okay? So you're going to build your online business from scratch, and you don't need to be on video if you don't want to, okay? So the first thing you're going to do when you're building an online business from scratch is that you need to decide on a topic that you want to do, okay? So it could be anything like, if you want to do a dog site or a sports site like football, soccer, or whatever, basketball. You could do hobby like fishing, photography, wood building, cooking, or anything like that. Or you could pick a niche like me. Workanywherenow.com is about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, okay? So there are many different topics that you can choose for this business. So once you pick a niche, then you're going to need to build an online asset, okay? So the online asset for shy people, it's going to be an affiliate website. So with an affiliate website, you can stay behind the scenes the entire time, Okay, so this is kind of like the best way for you to make a lot of money without showing your face. Then what you're going to do with that affiliate website is going to attract its own visitors for you. So for me, when I'm on video and I'm on social media, I'm trying to attract the visitors with me, right? I'm going out there to get people. But with an affiliate website, the people go to you instead, meaning that your affiliate website will be ranked on search engines like Google and Yahoo and Bing. And so once people find you on search engines like that, you could be flooded with visitors, targeted, highly targeted visitors. And then that's where you can make a lot of money when you have tons of visitors. So learning how to drive online traffic is very vital, important to any online business, and to make consistent online money. This is the part that you really need to learn, is how to drive online free traffic. You want to learn this because, or else it could be very expensive if you want to do paid traffic, okay? You don't want to do paid traffic first. Not for the beginners, okay? So, and then you're going to make money using the affiliate marketing business model. So the affiliate marketing business model is going to be great for you because you're not going to need your own products or anything like that. You're going to be building your online business using other people's products that's already online, that's already selling, that's already bestseller. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel with this, okay? So this is why I really love affiliate marketing and why I like showing it to new people and new beginners who want to make real good money online. Get this business model, you don't need your own product. You don't need to worry about payment processing, customer service, product packaging, shipping. Oh my God. There's a lot of headaches. I've had an online shop before. It's very, very bad. And it's very time consuming as well. But with this, you can do this anywhere. You're not tied to a location. You just need a laptop. You can have a laptop lifestyle with this. So how are you going to build this properly? And you do want to learn how to build this properly. And you need proper training, okay? So how are you going to learn to build this online business is you need the training. There's no way I could teach you this in one video on YouTube. There's just no way, guys, okay? So if you use the training that I used when I started in 2016, then I'll be able to also help you because I offer free coaching on that platform. Because I love that platform because there's a community in there that supports you, as well as the owners are there. You know, I know the owners, they're awesome. I've met them, I mean. And so they are really good people. So if you sign up with me using workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you could create your free account today, and you'll see that on your profile that I'm going to send you a message once you sign up, and then you're going to see your bonuses that you're going to get. Besides my free coaching, you're going to get other bonuses that you'll see on your profile, okay? So let me just take you inside a second and let you know where this link leads to. I'm an affiliate marketer, so this is going to be my affiliate link. Everything I do has an affiliate link on it. All right, so my workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama link leads you to this website, the Wealthy Affiliate website that has my face on it, okay? You won't get my face on here if you just go to wealthyaffiliate.com, okay? You do want my face on here, okay? Because that's how you're going to get my bonuses. And that's how you're going to get me as your free coach on the platform. And you really want me to be your coach because I know what I'm kind of doing on there, okay? And I can really guide you and help you. So if you want, I'm going to take you inside so you can peek. All right, now, so we're inside the Wealthy Affiliate dashboard here. So if I click dashboard, this is what it looks like here. So in the middle here, there's always members blogging about, you know, how they're doing with their online business. And this is what I'm talking about, the community. The community inside here is amazing. Okay, you could totally learn from each other here. And that's how I got through my journey, was with the support of this awesome community. And you can see like people like Shirley here. She's been here for 5 years, okay? And this is my 4th year here at Wealthy Affiliate. And so, oh yeah, so let's go to my profile so you can see my income proof, okay? If you log on, you can search Littlemama up here. So you just search Littlemama, and then you click on my profile, and then you get to my profile here, okay? So you can check out my profile. But what I really want you to pay attention to is right here, up here, my blogs, okay? What I've done here is document my entire journey of my time here at Wealthy Affiliate, and this is something that you can come check out and see how you can also do the same thing as me. Of course, disclaimer here, my results are not typical and your results will vary, okay? And so you can just go down my posts and see how much money I've been making here and how the training has been working for me. And in the days to come, when you sign up with me, I'm going to show you some other people's success stories as well, because of course it's not just me. So look at this too. I've done so well that Wealthy Affiliate actually pay me to go to Vegas and kind of talk shop with them. Okay, that's how I've met the owners, and I've met other super affiliates this way. So if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate, you can have a chance to win a Vegas trip. And all the information is under their affiliate program. And you can find that at the $ icon here for the menu and click on program details to look at that. Okay, so if you want the training though, I want to show you the training, which is very important here. Okay. So when you first come on the training, most people will be using this first training, Online Entrepreneur Certification. Okay, it has 5 levels here, 5 courses with 50 lessons total. And with your free account, you're going to get this first level free with 10 lessons. And going through that 10 lessons, you are already going to get a free website live on the internet after going through this first level. So if you love it, then upgrade to premium, and then you're going to get the rest of this training, which you're going to need the rest of this training if you guys going to take this seriously and build it properly. If you don't build it properly, you're not going to get the results, okay? And when you're not going to get the results, you're going to say this doesn't work and all this stuff. But obviously it works because I've proved it worked. So the other training that I want to show you is that if you want to follow my path and also promote Wealthy Affiliate, you could use Affiliate Bootcamp. You can use this one. This has actually 7 levels here. And this is how I've built WorkAnywhereNow.com with this training here. I use this training to achieve super affiliate status, and that's how they invited me to go to Vegas. Last year was my first year going to the Vegas conference, and this Sunday, or actually today, I'm going to be publishing this video today. I'm on my way to meet them today actually. So it's going to be really fun for me, and I'm going to be doing updates on this too. So watch out for that video when I have that out. It's actually really fun to be meeting up with other super affiliates and the owners to discuss how we can make this platform even better for the year to come. So this is what I do right here at Affiliate Bootcamp. So it's up to you if you want to choose this niche. I have to warn people that it is kind of competitive, but it is super doable because I'm a stay-at-home mom and I did it. Okay, guys? So if you want to really work hard and achieve this Vegas challenge, join me. It's so fun because Wealthy Affiliate pays you flight, hotel, food, drinks. You're going to get entertained as well, okay? So it's going to be awesome. So for you to get started with your online business as a shy person, you need to build an affiliate website so you can stay behind the scenes and use my affiliate link, workanywhereNow.com/Team Littlemama, and sign up with me so that you can get me as your free coach so I can help you in your online journey. I can't wait to help you guys. All right, so I hope you like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And don't forget, check out these videos right beside me, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.